Have you ever wondered how to transform those shady spots in your garden into a vibrant oasis? Enter shade gardening, a method designed to cultivate plants that love low light. Every garden, regardless of sunlight, has potential. Today, you'll learn how to start and maintain a shade garden. Starting a shade garden is simpler than you might think. First things first, evaluate the level of shade in your garden. This will determine the types of plants that can thrive in your space. Some plants need partial shade, while others require full shade. Next, choose appropriate shade-loving plants. Ferns, hostas, and astilbes are just a few examples of plants that can flourish in low-light conditions. Don't forget to consider the colors and textures that will complement each other in your garden. Third, prepare the soil properly. Shade plants generally prefer well-drained, fertile soil. Adding compost can improve soil quality and provide essential nutrients. The fourth step is to plant your chosen species. Follow the planting instructions specific to each plant to ensure they grow well. Lastly, water appropriately. While shade plants don't require as much water as sun-loving plants, they still need adequate hydration. And there you have it, your shade garden is up and running. Now that you've started your shade garden, let's talk about how to keep it thriving. Regularly watering your plants is crucial, as they may not receive enough rainfall in their shaded spot. Equally important is proper fertilization, which ensures your plants have all the nutrients they need. Don't forget timely pruning to encourage growth and maintain the garden's aesthetics. Always remember to closely monitor your garden and adjust your care routine as needed. With these tips, your shade garden will flourish even in the lowest light. Shade gardening is a fantastic way to make use of all areas of your garden. Let's recap. It's all about the right plants, proper care, and patience. Transform those less sunny spots into lush green havens. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching.